Hi everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making Hawaiian style pork chops. I'm going to be doubling this recipe. It only makes 2 pork chops, but I want to double it so Dave can take leftovers to work tomorrow. So I'll tell you the doubled amount, but I'll leave the original recipe down below. So what all goes into the Hawaiian style pork chops? 1 medium red onion, 1 green bell pepper, 4 lean center loin boneless pork chops, about 4 ounces each, 4 slices fresh pineapple or 8 slices canned pineapple, 6 teaspoons teriyaki sauce, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. So let's begin. Remove the insides of your bell pepper and then cut 4 slices, and then you can save the rest for whatever else you need it for. Then take your red onion and cut them into 4 slices. And save the leftovers of the green pepper and the red onion for another use. Preheat oven to 350. Take a baking sheet. Take 4 sheets of aluminum foil. I'll just do 1 for you. Lay 1 pork chop on the foil. Take a sliced onion and lay on top of the pork chop, and a slice of the green pepper, which broke. 1 fresh or 2 canned slices of pineapple. I have canned. I did drain the pineapple so it's not so runny. So we'll put 2 pineapple slices on that. Then take about 1.5 teaspoons of the teriyaki sauce and drizzle that. This is kind of thick, it's not wanting to drizzle. Put 1 pat of butter on top and then sprinkle with pepper if desired. And then fold up the foil. And then roll up the edges. Like so. So I'll do the last one for you as well. Take a pork chop, put a slice of red onion on that, put your slice of green pepper, put your 2 slices of canned pineapple or 1 slice of fresh on top of that. Take and drizzle your teriyaki sauce. Put your pat of butter on there, which is 1 tablespoon, and sprinkle it with pepper if desired. Wrap it up. Fold it over and then roll up the ends to tightly seal it. Take your Hawaiian style pork chops and put them on a grill or a preheated 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until done. And here is the Hawaiian style pork chop sitting on a bed of jasmine rice. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Looks like a piece of meat hidden underneath the...
Hawaiian style pork chop.
So I assume that's baked and not fried?
It's baked, yep.
Gotta get a mix in there. That's pretty good. Oh, there's some onion in there too. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.